A quick makeup tutorial using no foundation, only concealer. I've done my eyebrow and I also did my eyeshadow, but I just went in with a brown eyeshadow and I did some false lashes because I want my eyes to pop a little bit, because today I'm really going for the natural look. So first I'm going to start with primer. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible primer. I'll leave all the product I use in the description box. Please check the description box for every single product. And I've also prepped my skin. I've primed my skin, make sure that my base is good, because sometimes with makeup you got to make sure that your base is right, so you know that you have a really good skincare. And I really love my skin so far. I have been using the Kruidvat retinol skincare product, and I have been really loving it so far. I really love the way it looks. And I'm also going with this Maybelline liquid illuminator. You guys know I always love using liquid illuminator underneath my foundation, just to get that really, it gives you that really nice sun-kissed glow, and I just love it. NYX Born to Glow is my favorite, but I do have some couple of liquid illuminators lying down in the house, and I just have to use them because I also don't want to get rid of them, because I've found my favorite. But these ones are really good as well. I just love the way it makes my skin feel. I love how beautiful it makes my skin look. I'm raising the glass a little bit. And whatever is on the brush, I just bring it to my forehead. And also don't forget that. So now that that is done, when it comes to, I'm going to take a concealer that is like close to my skin tone, okay? I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible concealer in 343. It's more on the warmer tone. So I'm going to be mixing it up with another one. But I really love this concealer. It gives you like really good full coverage. I really loved it. My Revelation concealer as well, and this one, it's more on the darker side. What it's give me is like a cool undertone, so just blend these two together. I'm going to take my brush and I'm gonna blend these two together, because the one is on the warmer tone, the one is on the cooler tone. And also using concealer as a foundation gives you a really nice full coverage. You don't really have to go in with a lot. A little bit go a long way. I try to avoid underneath my eyes, just because I don't want a lot of product build. So whatever is on the brush, I'm just gonna try to like blend that into my forehead. Don't forget your nose. Let's use that. You see how everything just blend so nice? And then just bring that into your neck. See, everything just looks so, like my face look, it gives me like a really nice full coverage. Sometimes when I don't feel like wearing, when I want that full coverage look and I don't want to use a lot of foundation, I just go in with some concealer, because I love the way the concealer just look. And it's very simple, very easy. So just blend that. Really just blend that. You're just gonna find a concealer that is the same shade as your skin, like a concealer that matches your foundation, like really nice. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna take the same concealer from Infallible. This is in 338. It's more on the brighter side. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. Just a little bit of that. I don't like to highlight my forehead, like I always say. I just My forehead is perfect, so I don't really like to highlight my forehead. I'm just going to take my sponge and just blend everything really nice, and then just blend underneath my eyes. Later on, I'm also going with a little bit of a lighter concealer, which is going to be from the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I think it's in Golden Honey, if I'm not mistaken. I will list everything as well in the description box, so please check the description box. Just blend everything really nice, really smooth. I love how this concealer gives you that really natural look. And then if you want to have like the really extreme bright on the eye, you can go in with another concealer that's a couple of shades lighter to give you that really nice bright on the eyes. But so far so good. I love how this is looking. So before I go in with the brighter concealer, I'm first going in with my Max Factor blush. These are the like Max Factor blush. These two blush from the Max Factor and the one from Elf Cosmetic. These are the two liquid blushes that I have. I love them. I really love both. I love both of these blushes. They're really nice. A little bit go a long way. Even though sometimes it may look like the same, like you don't see difference, but there is a difference. I'm just gonna take that and just, I think I put a little bit too much on my nose. It's okay. It's okay. A little bit too much. I love how it makes my nose look. So I'm just gonna blend that, and I like to bring it a little bit underneath my eyes, and then bring it a little bit up like this. Blend everything really nice and smooth. Oh, I love when you mix both of them together, and I just love how it looks. I like to bring a little bit underneath my eyes, just a little bit, and then bring it all the way up. Bring it all the way up. I really want the simple. I want some blush. Like, I'm not really a blush person, but after trying out this liquid blushes, I really love these liquid blushes. I'm so in love with this liquid blushes. So now for contour, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible foundations, actual foundation in 250. I'm just going to take that with the brush. I'm just going to like do a swiping motion going upwards. Do it like that, because I don't want to go in with intense contour. I just want to bring that structure back to my face, because when you go in with the concealer, kind of like get the structure out of your face. And then I'm just going to take whatever it's on the brush, trying to blend the forehead, bring it inwards to the hairline. Take a little bit, don't forget the jawline. Just like shape everything so that everything looks really nice. Okay, I love how the contour is looking. Looks nice like that. I just want to go in a little bit with this blush brush. Don't have any product on it, but just a little bit. And now I'm going in with the concealer from NYX. A little bit go a long way because this concealer is really bright. So now it's done. I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. This is medium. I'm going to use that to set. I really like this setting powder. I really love the way it makes the under eye feel. So I'm just going to like set. One thing about this powder, a little bit go a long way. I'm just going to really set. I'm going to press it into the skin, like just not too hard, a bit gentle. But I'm going to press it into the skin. Press. Do that. Okay, now that it's done, I'm going to take my favorite Makeup Revolution matte base setting powder in P15. I'm going to use that to set. Sets my face properly. You know, use it to just wipe off any excess powder. Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright collab. This has blush, contour, and highlighter. So I'm going to take the contour just a little bit because I've already contoured. So I'm going to take a little bit to bronze just because this thing is pigment. When I say pigment, it's really pigment. So a little bit go longer. Whenever I'm traveling, I normally take this with me because you have blush, contour, and highlighter together, so you don't really need that much. So whenever I'm traveling, I know it's just for a couple of days, maybe just 2-3 days journey or 3-4 days journey, I'm taking this with me. I love it, and it's very compactive. It's very travel friendly. I really love it. See how it just bring that structure back into my face. I love it. I'm also going to take that same blush brush I use. I'm just going to take a little bit, dust any excess, just a little bit, just to bring a little bit color to my face. Like I love that warmness it just brings to my face. I just love it. Bring a little bit underneath the eyes. Oh yes, take whatever is on the brush, just blend it on the nose. I just love it. So now that it's done, what I normally like to do is I'll go first and set my face. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set using the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray. I've allowed the setting spray to dry. Now I'm going in with the highlighter. I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm going to put it on the brow bone. Just a little bit. Because I don't have an eyeshadow on, I just have like a brown, my bronzer. That's what I use. So I don't want like the brow bone to be all the way out there, but I want it to have a little bit of definition. And then I'm just going to take that same, try to get the nose, the tip of the nose. Yes, you guys, this highlighter is pigment. This is really beautiful. I really love this highlighter. There was a time when it first came out, I was using it like almost every single day because I loved it, and I was like, okay, let me just take a break and start using other products, because it seems like I'm not using any other thing else except this highlighter. So let me just take a break. I'm going to take a little bit also. I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes, just because I'm going for like a really nice simple look. You don't want to have like a extreme bright inner corner. Yeah, like this is so cute. Now it's time to highlight the cheekbone. I'm gonna take this highlighter. Yes, yes, yes. Just bring it a little, stroke by stroke. You can build it up, because I don't want to bring it like a lot, then it becomes a little bit too intense. You guys see that? That's what I'm talking about. You don't want to pack a lot of highlighter, and then, because one thing about product, it's better to build the product in than just packing it, and then later on you cannot reduce it, and then you gotta like keep blending all the time. But I like to like build in the product. I like to go in little by little. If I feel like, okay, it's necessary to add more, then I'll go and add more, instead of just adding the product, going in with a lot, and then later on you're gonna stress yourself out removing some of the product. So yeah, now that I've done that, I'm gonna set my face once more again. Let me know what you guys think. This is the finished result. If you want this to pop out, if you want the look to pop, go in with some red lipstick. But like I said, I'm going for like a natural makeup look. So today I decided to go with the Nude lip gloss, and I really like it actually. I love how the skin, the attention is more on the skin, like how glowy the skin is, how my skin looks really beautiful, and I'm really glad and impressed that I am consistently staying with my skincare routine. I'm consistently doing my skincare routine, both my night and my morning. I really love it, and my skin is really progressing. I'm seeing it by myself, and I really love it. I love how glowy the skin is. I love the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. But so far so good. I really love how everything turned out. So this is like my no makeup look. When you see the girls do no makeup look, trust me, they have a lot of product on. But they just do it so naturally. They don't go in with bright colors, look really bright colors, but it looks really nice. So I love it. So this is the finished result. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box, and I will leave all the products in the description box. So please check the description box for all of the products. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Peace out. Doeg. Bye.